Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of ReliabilityX, here to talk about our next building block, the first building block in our operational reliability domain. And this building block is operational strategy. Now, operational strategy includes the typical things you would expect from an operational strategy with respect to how do we eliminate losses? How do we make sure that we have a plant full of maximum capacity? So the entire focus on the strategy is to make sure that we can be the most productive, have capacity to take on as much demand as possible or have fluctuations in industry and take that on, as well as how do we make sure that the overall method in which we approach operations is the most efficient and economical possible. So to do that, we have to understand what our demand expectation is. What do we've got from sales forecasts and all kinds of other things, so that we can determine which lines are critical and how we need to create a strategy that makes sure we have optimal performance. So in addition to all of the what does our demand look like and what can our machines do, we need a strategy that makes sure we maximize the capacity in the right areas of the plant. And what is our overall strategy for making sure we have things like clean, inspect, and lubricates and center lining standards and a 5S program to make sure we can create organizational discipline. All of these things that ensure maximum capacity is available within the plant so we can start pressuring sales is your operational strategy. It takes a look at all of the losses within a manufacturing plant, and we'll go over these in a different video, with respect to availability, performance, and quality, and ensures that you have the right standards and you utilize the right tools to eliminate those losses and maximize capacity. In addition, in this particular example, we've got a facility that has an opportunity to make sure that it maximizes its plant's performance. Now, given its past history, it can't necessarily meet future demand. And so the plant has two options. It can invest in a second line or identify the losses and see if the capacity exists and potentially go after those losses and defer the capital investment. In this particular example, that's exactly what we did. We improved plant performance, eliminated the necessity for a capital investment, and allowed them to hit their demand targets with the existing equipment. This is operational strategy. For more information on ReliabilityX's maintenance and reliability best practices framework, scan the QR code, take a look at our website, hit the link in the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions for us, leave a comment under the video. You can also email us at ask@reliabilityx.com or give us a buzz at 877-RLBLTYX.